Hey everybody, welcome back to APX Gaming. Today we're going to do a little opening. I got some Start Deck 100, some Astral Radiance, and some Silver Tempest. We're just going to start right off the bat. We'll just go straight to the Start Deck 100 and start it from there. I've only opened a few of these, but yeah, you get your little damage counters and stuff. Really cool. I don't want to spoil the hits, so let me remember how to crack into this here. I believe this little pull tab gives me a hard time every single time. But not today, bud. Not today. Yeah, I think that gives you the number of which it is, so we're just gonna rip through it here. Let's see what we get. You know what? We'll just go right to it. I see some cards. Okay, so there it is. I guess those are the hits. Yeah, we've seen better days. But that's all right. We're going to move on to the Astral Radiance. Code card. Some yoga going on. Sneasel. Oh, nice! Look at that. I was not expecting that. I am being honest here. Wow. Look at that. Good centering, too. Beautiful pull. Very happy with that. Very nice. Let me sleeve that up. Nice. Let me center that puppy a bit. Yeah, let me know in the comments. I'm curious if you guys like Dialga or Palkia more. Let me know. Okay, moving along. Code card. Quillfish. Rowlett. Ooh, another Quillfish. Back to back. Lots of fish. Oh, and I skipped a card. My bad. Shadow Rider. Nice. Underworld Door. This is actually a really nice card. I haven't seen this card in person yet. Wow, it is. Huh. It was pretty neat, actually. I like the purple. It's nice. Got the little things going on there. Really nice. I might do a VMAX. I know this is very random, but I might do a VMAX Climax opening one day. I know there's a couple nice black and gold cards in that. But yeah, wow. 2 Lost Origin. I mean, Astral Radiance packs. 2 hits. That's really sweet. All right. Moving on. Enough of my shenanigans. We got some Silver Tempest. Another Fungus, of course. Code card. Sandygast. Lucha, Rufflet. Oh, nice. Lance. Beautiful. Very nice. We'll put you there, Lance. Don't go too far. Okay, 3 more packs to go. Wow, Silver Tempest has been very kind to me lately. Very thankful, because Fusion Strike absolutely hates me. So I guess that's what it is. If I ever want to open some Sword and Shield, no Fusion Strike. Clearly I've wronged it before, so I'll just stick to my Silver Tempest. Zubat, nice. Kelio, little V-Star card. This Dragonair is beautiful. She's real pretty. Okay. All right. Let's give the people what they want. Code card. Nice. Alolan Vulpix V-Star. Happy with it. More emergency jelly back there. Can't go wrong. It's a nice card. Just a simple V-Star, but very nice. Very nice. Okay, for a couple of just packs, I mean, I think we did pretty good. Vulpix, we got Lance here. And then these two completely caught me off guard. But yeah, that was a nice pull, especially this one. Damn. Very nice. Anyways, if you like what you saw, I got some more packs that are coming soon. A couple box openings coming soon, so especially Japanese. Probably do some English 151 as well. So feel free to like, subscribe, and as always, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.